Yep, that's what I've been waiting for. Something sitting there on the edge of that current line. I think it's a flathead by the feel of it. It's running towards me with the current at the moment. I don't think it's huge, but I've set the hook into a fish. There we go. Yeah, decent flathead. I'll just let the drag off him a little bit because he's in that current. Don't want to put more pressure on him than I have to. I'll just work my way out of the current. Decent fish. When he shakes his head like that, that's when his sore teeth can work through leader. I can see my jig head, so I can see that most of my leader is clear of the teeth. There we go. Well, it's taken a lot of casts to land that fish this morning. When I got here it was dead low, and it's taken until the currents turned and really started pumping, and for me to find the sweet spot and the right size lure to do the job. But when I did, this is the result. A good size flathead, and he's munched that 3-inch minnows. You think he wanted it? I think so. That's a 3/8 TT heavy duty jig head. You can see it's done a great job. Beautiful size fish. That's a dusky flathead. You can tell by that big black spot on the tail. Yeah, he's as keen as beans to get going. So I'm just going to get rid of him. I'm just going to get him moving as quick as possible. Off he goes. It's one happy flathead and a happy angler. Good result all round.